yung tira ng aking anak-curse. Hi, my friend! Good evening! Hello, my friend. Good evening. I'm gonna recook this one ko. There's a lot of, look, a lot of ants. So let's recook this and I will be back. I cannot bring my phone. I cannot bring you guys with me because it's low bat. It's 1%. I'm charging my phone. Wait, I will be back. Just give me 3 minutes, darling. 3 minutes. That will be enough for me. Let's cook this. Wala pa sayang. Wala kayo. Diba? Ang dami pa rin tao kahit wala ako. Bang, bang, bang. Tanananan. Bang, 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 bang. You like crazy, huh? Happy heart. Yum, yum, yum. I'm cooking, guys. Wait, I will be back. Just give me a minute. You hear that? That's the sound of the oil. It's a lot of water. Sizzling water. Hello, darling. I'm back. Somebody, oy. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, it's new. The last payment that I got P, from my P, I bought it there. And I have a reason why I bought that one. Because it's useful. Nasaan na yung remote?